Ha, birahon sa oh no, birahon sa.
Diri bira na.
Oh, kana ay clouds ah.
No, bukan. Meron sila oh.
Di masyado daw yung tao kayo ulan man.
Up today is your lift operator. As we head on up, I'm going to be giving you a bit of a talk about the area. If you have any questions about anything, even if you spot something and you're like, "Hey, what is that?" Just ask. Even if I'm talking, just ask, and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. We're going to get going here now. So here we go. While I'm talking as well, you try and look out the windows. It's right outside, and I completely understand. So we're leaving the lower station now, and I'm going to save some information because as we come out, you can see the bears on our right, on your left. So there they are.
Bear?
There's 3 wild bears. 2 cubs and a mum. All right there.
Mom's gonna ask you.
Right there.
Black bear, baby bear.
I don't know where they're finding 250,000 berries. I can't see any. But before that, we left the lower station at around 1,258 meters. We're going up to 2,263 at the upper station, even higher if you do the summit hike. So just be aware you might get that sort of sensation in your ears from the 1,005 meter difference in altitude. If you do, nothing to worry about, just sort of swallow, yawn. I get it sometimes. If you don't get it, also nothing to worry about. Either way, you're good.
Mama, si Uli.
She's over there. I wanted to check her out there.
Loy, are you there, Loy?
So welcome to Jasper National Park. Has anyone been with us before?
Ginawa lang isa ka
Yeah? How long ago?
Nalingaw sa Bisaya pala nito.
18 years ago. Okay, welcome back. Fantastic.
At least on the Skytram. We've been to Jasper several times.
Okay, welcome back to the Skytram. To everyone else who haven't been before, welcome. This is Jasper National Park. It's the largest and most northerly national park here in the Canadian Rockies. It's around 11,000 kilometers squared, which is roughly the size of Jamaica. So it's a very close medal. But notably on the far right is Pyramid Mountain. That's the tallest peak on that mountain range. You follow it round to the Colin Mountain range, the Malene, and then Trident, which is what we're going up now. My right, your left, if you're looking at me, are getting smaller and smaller. It might surprise you to know some of these trees are over 200 years old. The only reason they're about the size of us is twofold. Firstly, so please do watch yourself if you're along that wall. If any
Stop it! I don't want!
You're not allowed to climb, huh? You're not allowed to climb.
I am so scared. I'm not scared.
Don't climb.
Nagkuratan ko.
Sanadiyaan ta.
Balito na ta. Is papang nak, musakay punta na panawag ko alisod pugyaan. Yeah. Oh, video. Oh, dari bang. Oh, picture bang. Okay, smile. Video or picture.
Canada. What a dream.
Oh, see?
Snow! Snow! Snow!
What a dream. Huh?
Snow!
I forgot to bring milk and kutsara. Oh, dito ba sa ano para makahikap mo? Atara. Lake. Ikaw din, pwede ka ako pasok din. Ay, pumangkaligom sa pagkuha ka mong araw.
Ma'am.
Ha?
Dugay pa tadi gali, alas 2 pa tadi.
Kisa ingon?
Ako.
Oh.
Daddy, can we go inside?
Why?
Pap.
Pang.
Kita mo? Aning tago?
It's winter all over again. Only careful. Touch it.
Oh.
Nak. Video ako nak.
Video. Oh.
Just look and I go.
Oh. Kuha na oh.
Wala, ang isno ko ang kayo kanang grabe kayong isno oh. Ang akong
Get ako Sara.
Grabe kayo makabuslot ang kuno.
Design magina pang text man pang. Pwede ka ka-text diya sa mga gloves. Oh. Oh, sumamang simhot oh. O tila.
Amazing.
Halamang si huling naliwat man na nimo. O ning tilaw na kuan oh. Pwede ba nida? Oh.
Mommy beaver! There's a beaver!
Beaver?
There's a beaver!
Oh, dire oh. Sayang mo ko dala.
Beaver!
Oh, dire.
Wow, brown.
Aman. Ay, oo.
Dingan ana.
Muskrat. Nawala na. Ato, narang ulo. Yan ang ulo, oh. Hi.
Oh, yes, yes!
Hello.
So cute.
Aga camouflage siya, no?
Mura siya ano, mura siya.
No, wait, the capybara!
Rabbit.
That's
Oh, rabbit.
They don't live here, Oli.
Matiman siguro no. Unsay mukha ang gadi siya.
Nami pasyente gitagaan niya kung ikog anak niya. Yang skin niya ba na? Kinakuan. Ambot lang. Pero baligya nila ang naikog anak. Hatag niya sa ko ikog.
I love it. Acorn tail. Wait, does that mean the snow's gonna come back?
Oh, narang mga
Mukha ang siguro nagitsahan ako na makapaong ba.
Duy, bawal pang. Do not feed ako. Maanad sila.
Ha?
Maanad sila.
Ako ni-feed mo.
Baba.
Which one, Loy?
Oh, the Whistler to, ma'am. Whistler to.
Like it, look. Dad, gold! And then you are seeing. Wait! Read as the scarlet.
Oh, ay, dili mo, meaning di mo diha mo agi.
Touch it!
Malubong.
That's the time you actually get to play here.
Basig magpalapala ka pang di kakapugong sa imong kuan.
What good is this?
Hi.
You're allowed to do that.
Oh, naan. Ay, uyab si Uli, oh. Asa man yung ginikanan ani. Oh. Oh. Oh, si Papang, oh na mo na.
I'm going. Hello.
Oh, Papa, exercise pang.
Oh, sorry pang, walay singot dire.
Good luck ka sa singot mo.
Oh. Inay ka mang, mapandol ka.
Hinay mangal, tantong imong tapakan bang ha?
Ilang ka-hours
Mia, don't go there. This
Oh,
is the sign.
nalubong. Ha? Oh. Pila ka hours?
2 hours pa.
Oh.
Slow down ulit ha kay
Mang, picture ta diri, mang. Oh. Picture kami da, mamang. Oh, Papang dati.
What is it?
Pana.
No! Okay! Coming back!
Oh, pwede kayo, oy. Ako hangako na ko na. Katong di ko buros, pwede pa.
My experience here in Canada, particularly in Jasper Cave, is beyond human imagination.
Beyond.
What makes you say that, Pang? Elaborate your answer.
I never expected, I never thought it, that this very day I will experience riding on a, what do you call that?
Riding on a sky tram, cable car.
Sky tram,
Oh, riding.
owned by Donald Trump.
Nakita niyo ba? Pagkapaabot sila, kita diyan, di mo dili.
Ang,
Tindog gagamay. Nakita niyo mo diyan.
kauna na oh. Ganun na lagi.
Ano, hindulog na ang mga train.
Oh. Ikaw, Mang.
So amazing.
Amazing. O, ikaw, Mang, usay mong mga istorya. Beyond
Thank
expectation.
you for sponsoring us in coming here on this Jasper Mountain.
Tatay Wensing. Ay, sorry.
Seryoso naman po kayo kinabuhi ako pa, Mang. O, usay mong expectation, Mang. Beyond expectation po, or...
Beyond imagination and beyond expectation.
Binenti para kas
But it is my long dream. I must tell 30s. I told Liling one time, sino kaya ang mag-sponsor sa mga anak namin na makapunta kami sa ibang bansa? Sa Eden yun yan.
Para pagbili,
Kasi
gawin
matalino si Eden, malayong matatin.
Matalino dahil. Amo rin naman.
Kung nga magpastura man, kung free man ang pastura. Mura di-underestimate na ko ang pastura.
It's from the rain.
What's the meaning of the rainbow, Lloyd?
Rain.
Uy!
I didn't know that.